How to change TikTok username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually change your TikTok username, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your TikTok username, just open up TikTok, then just come to your profile page. You can see my current username, right? To change it, all you have to do is just tap on edit profile, then you can see the username. Tap on username, enter the new username you want to change to, and then tap on the save button from the top right. But keep in mind that once you change the username, you'll not be able to change it for the next 30 days, which means 1 month. The other is, if you want to change your name, then you can tap on the name option, and you can also cannot change the name once every 7 days, so you can only change it once in a week. Enter the new name and the new username you want, tap on save, refresh it, and your name will be successfully changed. That is it on how you can actually change a username on your TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.